Hello viewers, I'm Tanya and you're watching The Big Brain. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm here with the second video of my life management series that is on personality development. Though I know that I haven't posted this video for long due to some urgent work, but today I'm here with this video. So when we talk about personality development, we feel that this is something which is very important in present time. Whenever we are going for the job interview, college interview, we feel that this have some weightage, right? Your personality. So those who feel that there are some flaws in their personality, they need not to worry. All you have to do is you have to follow some points recommended by me in this video, and you need to practice those points, and you'll see the positive result in coming 1 or 2 weeks, right? So the first thing you need to bring in your personality is create your own personal style, right? Be real. When it comes to expressing, be real, which makes you different from others. The second thing, be a polite listener. When we talk about personality development, it's all about communication. So more you are communicating to others, you need to listen others first so that you can you can respond in a polite manner. So be a polite listener. Third thing, have patience and work on your communication skills. If you want to improve your personality, you need to bring this point in your personality, that is, you need to keep patience, because sometimes you're going to you have to listen others for a long, so at that time you need to have patience so that you can stand and perform well. Fourth thing is your behavioral skills. More better your behavioral skills are, more it will make your personality better, right? The way you are behaving with others, it's all about your personality, and more you will be loved by many. So bring behavioral skills, right? Fifth thing is be polite and humble in talking. When it comes to interacting or communicating, you need to be very polite and very humble in talking to others, right? Sixth thing is dress well. Okay, personality development is something about your dressing sense also. If you're going to any meeting, if you're going for the job interview, your outfit should be good, right? So dress well so that you can stand well when it comes to expressing yourself, right? Seventh thing is bring confidence. You would be thinking that I have explained all 6 points and I have put this confidence on 7th point. This is because I know that if you will practice these 6 points, then only this 7th point, that is a confidence, it will come in your personality, right? Eighth is keep practicing. More you will practice, more it will make your personality better, right? Ninth, self introspection. This is something which is very important when it comes to the personality development, right? Because sometimes you feel that you have followed everything, you have adopted all the points recommended by me or someone, but still you're not seeing any changes. So I could suggest that this self introspection will make you feel if you feel that that if any changes are coming in your personality, then you need to self introspect. This is the best way to analyze your personality and to make your personality better, right? And the last and the most important point of personality development is your attitude towards others, right? Now you would be feeling that behavioral skills and attitude towards others are kind of same. So there is a difference. Why there is a difference? Because behavioral skills is all about your manners and etiquettes, okay, which is common for everyone, right? But when it comes to your attitude towards other, it means that the person you are talking with, the person you are interacting with, okay, your attitude towards them, right? If you feel that you have some grudges with that person, and you feel that this you are not comfortable in interacting with that person, so it will make your attitude negative. So be be cautious while interacting to those persons, right? If you are interacting to them in a professional manner, so you need to put aside all the grudges, and you should be very very humble. So your attitude towards other, most of the time, keeping aside all the personal grudges, you have to be kind of professional with others. So at that time I would recommend that your attitude towards others should be positive. Doesn't matter the person, to that person you are liking or not liking, that is the another thing. Okay, your attitude towards other should be positive, and this is something which is different from behavioral skills, because it comes under your manners and etiquettes, right? So this is different. So you need to follow these 10 steps and you will see the positive changes in your personality. So if you like my video, I say that do share and subscribe my channel, and do share your experience in the comment box. Like if you have some problems, if you feel that there are some flaws in your personality, then you can clear your query in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching.